In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically resize columns in Google Sheets using the Fit to Data feature. Managing your data efficiently is crucial, and sometimes that means making sure your columns are perfectly sized to display all your content clearly. Let's dive right into it. First, if you want to resize a single column so that it fits the data within perfectly, here's what you need to do. Start by right-clicking on the header of the column you wish to adjust. A menu will pop up, displaying several options you can take. From this list, you'll want to click on Resize Column. When you do so, a small window will appear offering you a couple of options on how you'd like to adjust the column width. Among these options, you'll see something that says Fit to Data. Select this, and then go ahead and click OK. By doing this, Google Sheets will automatically resize your selected column so it perfectly fits the content inside. This method is super handy for tidying up your sheet and ensuring everything is easy to read at a glance. Now, if you find yourself needing to resize multiple columns at once, don't worry, this process is just as straightforward. Click and drag your mouse across the headers to select all the columns you want to adjust. Once selected, right-click on any one of these column headers and choose the Resize Columns option from the menu that appears. Again, select Fit to Data and hit OK. Just like that, all your selected columns will be resized to fit the data contained within them perfectly. There's another quick trick you can use to achieve the same result, and this is particularly useful if you're keen on using mouse shortcuts. Start by selecting the columns you wish to adjust. Now, move your mouse pointer to the top of the sheet, more specifically to the divider between the column letters. When you hover in that space, you'll notice your mouse cursor changes shape to display two arrows pointing in opposite directions. This change indicates that you can manually adjust the column size by clicking and dragging. However, for a quick auto resize, simply double-click on that divider. As if by magic, Google Sheets will automatically resize the columns to precisely fit the contents. These methods allow you to maintain your Google Sheet in a structure that's organized and easy on the eyes, presenting your data neatly without the need for excessive scrolling or adjusting. Whether you are resizing a single column or several at once, these steps will help keep your spreadsheet orderly and professional. I hope this helps you manage your data better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Google Sheets tips for more ways to enhance your productivity.